student, myself Ravi Mishra. Today we introduce the topic dihybrid cross. This topic is very important for board exams. So in the middle of this video we discuss many important questions that help in your board exam. So please see the video till the end. First of all, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and click on bell icon for new videos and updates. Now we discuss about dihybrid cross. A cross between two plants having two pairs of contrasting characters is called dihybrid cross. The two pair of contrasting characters chosen by the Mendels were shape and color of the seeds. Now there are the two characters that involved in dihybrid cross. Now the first, round yellow seeds, and second, wrinkle green seeds. In this experiment, the round yellow seeds is represented by the capital R, capital Y and capital Y. Now the wrinkle green seeds is represented by small y and small y. Now we discuss the dihybrid cross by the help of this chart. This is the parent cells, the round yellow seeds and wrinkle green seeds. The round yellow seeds are represented by the capital R, capital Y alleles, and wrinkle green is represented by small r, small y alleles. The small r, capital Y have a gamete capital R, capital Y, and small r, small y have small r and small y gametes. After fertilization process, the round yellow cross with wrinkle green and form capital R, capital Y, small I, means round yellow seeds in F1 generation. In the result of F1 generation, here capital R is dominant over small r and capital Y is dominant over small y. So the result of round yellow seeds. In next step, by the self-pollination process, the Mendel do the cross between the result of F1 generation. Means capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, and capital R, small r, and capital Y, small y. The result of F1 generation have four types of gametes: capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. When we draw a Punnett square model between the gametes of result of F1 generation, then we found this result. If we one side write the first gamete capital R, capital Y, small r, small y, small r, small y, and write on another sides capital R is capital Y, small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. Do the cross between capital R, capital Y and female capital R, capital Y. Then we found capital R, capital Y. Here the result is round yellow. In next step we get the result round yellow. In third step round yellow. Fourth round yellow. And in second way, if we cross capital R, small y with capital R, capital Y, then we found RR, means in first step capital round yellow, round green, round yellow, and round green. In third step round yellow, wrinkle yellow, round yellow, round green, wrinkle yellow, wrinkle green. By the help of this Punnett square model, we found the phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic means physically appearance is 9:3:1. 9 round yellow, 3 round green, 3 wrinkle yellow, and last wrinkle green. After this, we get the genotypic ratio. That means that describe the genetic description. The first, if we take an example of round and yellow seeded plants, the 1, 2, 2, and 4 means total round yellow seed is 9 out of 16. Next way, the round and green seed plants, 3 out of 16, wrinkle and yellow seeded plant 3 out of 16, and wrinkle and green seeded plants 1 out of 16. So the genotypic ratio is 1:2:4:1:2:1:2:1. Now we discuss the observation of dihybrid cross. When capital Y was crossed with small r, small y in F1 generation, all were capital R, capital Y, small y. Means the result is round yellow seeds. By the self-pollination of F1 generation, plants give parental phenotypic and two mixture seed plant in the ratio of 9:3:3:1 ratio. Now we discuss the conclusion of the dihybrid cross. Is now the first round and yellow seeds are the dominant, means round and yellow seeds character are the dominant. Second, occurrence of new phenotypic combinations show that genes for round and yellow seeds are inherited independently of each other. Second law of the Mendel experiment is law of independent assortments. The first point of second law is allele of different characters separate independent from each other during gamete formation. In the above example, alleles of texture were assorted independently from those of the seed color. Now the dihybrid cross topic is completed. So in next video with new topic. Thanks.